Hello, Pip Nation traders. This is your favorite FX coach, Yvette McCray, the Pipologist here, coming to give you some trade analysis and forecast for possible entries on the GBP USD and the SPX 500 and or US 500, depending on what wording your broker uses for the SPX 500 and or US 500. Those are indices that will be located under the symbols tab in your MT4 account. But let me go ahead and just make my disclaimer. My trade ideas are not financial advice nor guaranteed. They're only a view of possibilities, so you do agree to use them at your own risk. Past performances are not indicative of future results. Now that the legalities are out of the way, let's have some fun so I can get you all in the market. So on the GBP USD, you see here, price has been moving to the upside. I am in that same trade that I was in on yesterday for a buy for the GBP USD. Price did skim back some and I'm a little down in my pips. As a matter of fact, I'm going to change it to show you how many pips it is. I'm only up 15 pips from 50 pips. That's to show you it's powerful when you know what trend you are participating in, okay? And as I always say, there are 4 trends of the market. There's the annual trend, the weekly trend, the monthly trend, and the daily trend. I think I said I'm a little backwards, but for clarification, it's the annual trend, the monthly trend, the weekly trend, and the daily trend, okay? You must know what trend you are participating in. So right now I'm participating in the week trend. Here is the high of the week, and right here is the low of the week. And I'm talking about these solid aqua lines, okay? The high of the week is right here. The low of the week is right here. The way my strategy works is when price crosses above or below these levels when price close above or below the highs and lows of the annual trend, monthly, weekly, or daily, you will trade in that direction. So here is the high of the week. Here is the low of the week. You see price came above this high and closed right here. So I've been in a buy, okay? And I am up now. It's moving back up to the upside, okay? Here is the high of the day. If you are a daily trend trader, you will be waiting for the move of the day. Price has neither, according to the 4-hour time frame, that's what I'm on right here. You see 4-hour. According to the 4-hour time frame, price has not closed above or below this high and this low of this day, July the 20th, okay? So as soon as price begins to give a signal to go to the upside, you should enter a buy. You know, that would be a good place to enter a buy. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the 30 minutes so you can see price is already starting to go back up from this low of today, all right? Notice we are still above the moving average on the 30-minute. So even though it closed below the low of this low, we're still above the moving average. So it is really a bullish day and a bullish week. So right here is a good place to enter a buy if you want to participate in the trade that we're actually in right now. So as you can see before your eyes, I'm already up 20 pips. You know, it's moving up. On the other trade that I'm in, which is the SPX 500, let me go ahead and go there. And I am going to, hold on, I got all this stuff on my chart and it's really confusing. I hate all of this stuff. It makes no sense. Okay, so on the US 500, you can see here that we're in a bullish week as well. Here is the high of the week. Here is the low of the week. And when I say high of the week, I'm talking about the aqua solid lines. Aqua solid horizontal line. This is the high. This is the low. Price has come above it. It came above it. It came above this level last week and fell. And now again this week, here is the candle that closed above this level. And we've been moving upward, okay? So if you want to enter a trade for the SPX 500, or US 500, these are indices. you can take that trade, and I'm anticipating this trade will go up somewhere near the 800 moving average. So I'm using a 200 moving average and an 800 moving average. Price is above the 200 moving average, and it's now I'm looking for it to go somewhere near the 800 moving average for take profit. So far I'm up 70 pips on the buy for the US 500 and 20 pips for the buy on the GU. So there you go. There's your free trade. Keep following, keep learning, and most of all, don't keep sitting on the sidelines. Join us in Freedom Nation so you can begin to grow your account. Happy trading.